In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Notepad++. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Notepad++ download page. Here I will click on the latest version, and then I will click on this download button. And the download should start for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet package explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools. Then I will click on add existing file, and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Then I will double click on Chocolatey install, and then on this edit button. And then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the executable, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go back to my package and insert the script here. And for this snippet to work, we need to provide few values. The first one is here, we need to provide the installation file name. And for that, I will go back to my downloads folder, right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again, and I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. Now we need to provide package name, and for that I will enter Notepad pp, and then let's provide a file type, and here we need to enter exe because the extension of our installation file is .exe. And now we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switch that I will be using. I will click on the button right here to copy the value, go back to my package and insert the value here. And now I'll save the script by clicking on this button, and then I will go back to my package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information here about the package, so I will click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Notepad pp. Then for the version number, I will enter 8.6. We can see the version number on the installation file right here. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation, and for the description I will enter Notepad++ Choco package. And that's all the mandatory information that we need to provide for the Chocolatey package. Now let's save the values by clicking on this save button. And that's it. Now we need to save this package, and for that I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my downloads folder, and I will also use my downloads folder as a Chocolatey repository when I will be trying to install this package. So let's click on the save button, and now let's try to install this package. And for that I will open my terminal application. I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to execute a software installation. And let's type choco install. Now we need to provide our package ID that we can see here. So it's Notepad pp, and because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide the repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package installation was successful. Now if I go to my start menu, all apps, somewhere here we should find Notepad++, and I can see it here. I will click on it, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.